What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Cap City Land, back at you with another video. And today, I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna show you some of the mods that I had done in the past few weeks on this. I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but you know, I had this around this time of year, got a lot of things going on. I work and everything. And say hi to Caleb. Say what's up, Caleb. Say what's up, YouTube. Hey, say what's up. It's early and he ain't having it right now, but let's take a look. Let's start with under the hood. So under the hood, as you can see, did make some changes up under here. I tried to do a little bit of a cleaning job, but the biggest change that I made up under the hood so far is I put this Volant Performance intake in. And with this Volant Performance intake, it does work wonders. You know, the factory intake already was like a cold air intake setup or whatnot, but it did have some restrictions to it. You know, it didn't have the smooth surface right here which the air comes through. You know, you always want to, if you do change your intake, or if you don't, sometimes you might it's probably good to get the one of these turbulence free hoses, you know, without the ripples and whatnot, because it doesn't restrict airflow. It gives you better throttle response and whatnot. And that's one thing that this thing has done, has changed the throttle response so much on here, you know, that, you know, I can't really complain about it. I don't know, I don't have specs per se as far as gas mileage and performance wise, as far as torque and horsepower, but I do feel a little bit of difference in throttle response and gas mileage. I'm not looking for that really. I mean, I'm in a Ford, in a 10,000 pound truck or whatever the weight is. I don't know, I'm probably exaggerating, but I'm in a pretty heavy truck trying to get gas mileage. I don't think so. But while we're still up front, let's go up under this bad boy right here. I finally got it done. It's the dual steering stabilizer. It's the ProComp ES2000, and this thing works wonders also. Is great as far as, you know, you get so much oversteer and whatnot with these things, and it's like a workout driving them stock. And putting this on, it made a big difference. It's not a sports car handling or anything like that, but the difference is amazing as far as handling. I can't complain. What about you? Still ain't wake up? Man. You cold. It's cold outside. But anywho, moving right along, we do have the Bilstein 5100 series. You know, kind of stiffen up the ride a little bit. It helps out with the ProComp dual steering stabilizers. Keeps it from bouncing and wiggling and doing the death wobble. And that's, you know, that's very important. You know, safety is very important, and we always want to be safe when we're doing things, and also having fun. But again, while we're right here, excuse the dirt, my backyard is crappy. Where I park my vehicles, or some of my vehicles right now, the backyard is really crappy. So, but I got the Cooper Discovery AT3s. Very good tire. You know, you already know the game about the tires. But, boy, what? You just keep on trying to get into the picture, but you ain't trying to say nothing. And I did a little bit of a job of trying to get these wheels together. As you can see, I did scrape some of the oxidation. You can see a little bit of it, but you know, try my best to get it done. And, you know, that's all you can do, is you can try your best. You know, try your best and the rest will follow. But moving to the back, in the back of the vehicle, well, oops, we got a bad angle. I went with the Pro Comp on the back also. I forgot the series name to these, so don't mind me. But these are equivalent to the Bilstein 5100s. And, you know, it stiffens up the back a little bit. I did not get a rear sway bar, and that's one thing that I do need to get. But right now we on budget, and that's kind of expensive right now, and I don't really need it so far because I'm not pulling anything yet. So I want to wait till I start really pulling to get it. But there's a look at it. So far that's all I got done to the Excursion Project X, and we got more mods to come. I just got some packages, well, they're out for delivery and they'll be coming in today, so I'm excited, and I'm excited to show you guys what's next with Project X. I don't know what it could be. It could be the lights, grill, bumper, maybe. What you think it is? Mirrors? Oh, some placing the running boards, maybe putting Nerf bars. I don't know. But we'll see later on what that could be. So you guys have a good one. Say Cap City out.
No.
Say Cap City out. You stink. Cap City out. Peace.